Hi. I'm here with Riley. She is vlogging too, so yeah. We're walking to Michael's, and we are gonna go to Walmart right now because we had to buy some glue and stuff to make to buy some stuff to make slime. So let's go.
We're gonna buy lots of stuff, like slime stuff. Can't you switch the?
No.
And so we are at the Valley Mall. This is
So keep
that
walking.
was Ulta. This is Payless. And we're gonna go to Michael's. It's next to Ross. But
Yeah, we're going to Michael's.
thanks to her for giving me a ride. Her sister brought us. I have $10 and she has
We're just gonna walk
I don't know.
because we need to buy some glue and stuff.
You should take off this
I
flash.
am.
Why did you put the flash?
Fine. Okay, I forgot I had a flashlight on, so I will look so awkward. So
I think I'm gonna buy a gallon of
I'm just gonna walk.
and my mom doesn't want us to buy me because they don't want me to buy glue, so I'm gonna buy candy and I'm gonna buy her glue because she's buying like a whole gallon. I think I'm gonna buy the paint, acrylic paint as food dye because the food coloring I think it's expensive, so it's $40 to $1.
Because we buy the food coloring, in your hands it'll be like color.
I'm gonna do the background. Hey guys, so I am. Can you see my face?
Yeah.
So we're going to Michael's and we're gonna buy some.
Hi. I'm vlogging too.
We're gonna buy some slime stuff because I think we're trying to do a slime factory.
So we're here at Michael's. We're going inside. Yay!
I'm gonna be like this because people are gonna be like, look at that.
Just like be like
Squishy
this.
too, you know? I bought it.
Wait, we should look. See if they have some. Sorry, here at Michael's.
This slime kind of corner. You see, look, they're 79 cents. We should buy some. We should buy.
So wait, move out of the way. Move out of the way. Like really, I needed to take a picture out of it. Look, guys.
So we're gonna buy a gallon.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
But
Oh, we're gonna buy this one. We're gonna buy this one. This gallon, but at Walmart because right here they're 18. We're probably gonna buy some containers. $3.99. No, I'm not gonna buy it.
oh, we should get these. They have sequins. To make it crunchy.
Some glitter.
We should get some paint here. Look, they're 79 cents.
I might get some, maybe.
Like we could get
I was doing like turquoise.
these are from the
There's clear. There's this one, but there's a
look.
really
These are these are
I
no more. I think these are now.
So they have slime.
To make slime, just add water. Make it a mess already. Like they have little.
So look at these actually. Oh yeah, I bought this one. I have it, but I have it in my backpack.
Look at the.
So we're gonna go look at stuff.
I feel like it's better over here because people are gonna be.
So we're looking at the stuff. Just start the video.
Hey guys, so we are here at Michael's with Andrea.
Hi.
We're gonna look for
Oh, and I forgot to introduce. This is Eileen. I forgot. Oh my god.
Oh look, the new things.
There's stuff painting over here.
Look, last time, like, you know how
Oh yeah.
$7.
Oh, look at this one, the one that I had, but like it doesn't work. Oh, you can make slime out of this, just shaving cream.
You
Just that glue.
I saw. I think you should buy glitter glue. You know why? Because it comes good.
I'm gonna buy it at Walmart.
Look, you know you can make glue
slime out of this kind of glue. So
oh look at this
But
one,
yeah.
$8.
Oh my god, that's so fat.
But yeah. So
Gonna look at stuff.
I think it's not this time. The paint is not this time.
So, go. Yeah, this is the paint area. So this is the paint. What is it? Oh, never mind. So sorry. So. Now we hear the paint and there's like, look at them. Oh my god, this one's so pretty. This one is so pretty.
Glitter paint.
Oh my god, we
should get one.
yeah, but like, you wanna buy it? Yeah.
Bro.
We could look at
Wait,
Walmart.
look at the paint. Like if we're gonna get a glitter one, which one it has to be?
Glitters.
Look at this one. We should get this one. This one or the not pink one. This one. We should get this one.
Yeah.
Or gold one.
This one's pretty too.
We should take. Oh, have you seen the new one? This one? They do like a gold paint.
No.
Let's try. Let's see how much is it.
Let's go.
So we're
So we're
gonna
gonna go. Oh my god! But we are gonna buy it at Walmart because these are cheaper. Oh, this is where I get my containers. I already have pink, blue. Where's blue at? I'm coming. There's dark blue and there's a white one. What? You wanna take that?
Well, who's gonna buy it?
You? I don't know if you wanna buy it.
I wanna buy it.
Yeah.
Or
Let's see what's over here. Is there like clay thingy that you put in the slime? Oh, oh my god, we need to take some of it.
$5.
Wait, don't they sell it at Walmart too? So, oh my god, the clay is. Oh my god.
Let's go on.
We need to take some of this at Walmart. We had to get some.
Wait, huh? Let's go get the other paint. Or wait, can we make paint like out of this? Face paint?
Yeah.
Let's check how much is it.
How much is that?
$5.
No.
Okay, no, that's okay.
Wait, can you use come on. Markers?
You could use markers. Come on.
Wait, look at that. Oh, look at the other beads. Come on. Am I like not okay? So this.
No, we both want. Like this one is nice. I like this one. Like this one? No.
I think
Unless if we can make
some silver, purple. This one's okay. It's not too bad.
it's $1.49, and I think it's cheaper.
At Walmart. So we're gonna probably wait till
Wait,
Walmart.
I think Walmart because like these paints
Let's go look for squishies.
are 50 cents.
Yeah. We're gonna go look for squishies.
But one, no, I think there's jars too. There should be like a special.
Oh, over there.
Oh, over there there's like the little small glitter glues. I'll show you.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah. We should try to find containers also.
Is there squishies here? But where? Oh my god! Like fill all the way up with slime. Wait, is there's like
The beads. We need to find the beads.
What beads?
That's fine.
Yeah, but we could use the beads that are over there. Is there squishies here?
I saw them in the So
Let's go look. Ask for them.
buy beads like this.
Yeah. But at Walmart. I'm gonna buy it at Walmart because 4
We should get like
and 10 or
we should get like a color like these. Like they look pretty.
yeah.
Like this one
Or like rainbow.
or like this one.
Like
this
these ones.
one. Like this. It could be light. It's gonna look.
Yeah, maybe.
These two. Okay,
So
in the
containers are over there. So. Oh my god. Look. Oh, here you could draw.
You could draw.
Yeah. You could use the markers here. Markers. Oops.
You can vlog every day, so. I like things I don't know.
Okay, wait. You should draw. But like,
Enjoy it. No.
awesome. Oops. Oh yeah. I saw
We should
this.
get one, yeah?
You wanna get it?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not gonna buy it.
Yeah.
Pencil?
We should get foaming soap.
Where's it at though?
They don't have at Walmart.
Oh,
They
so
don't have anything in there. There's squishies.
so squishy?
They're called mushrooms.
Am I doing it for them? What kind of candy are you gonna get? $2 too.
The sour part.
Cottage candy, $2.
Should we get this and then try it out? Oh, but it's almost like $3.
What is it?
The sour thing. I don't know what to do. You should eat it. Yeah, I have to like.
How much are those squishy? Oh wait, I wanna buy some of these. Give me my money.
Yeah.
Huh?
Buy one of these?
Yeah, these are good.
You like those?
Yeah.
What about these? Oh no.
Give me my money. I'll be back.
Thank you.
You too. Let's finish soon. Put this in the show.
I have invisible ink. It's like you put them on, you put it on, and we'll turn it on. You put
it on in this thing and then you take it off with water. Hot water.
It like you leave it and then it turns like. Oh no! Let's get the smush out and see. It's $2. It's it's pretty cool. It smells nice. It smells good.
Put it back. So there's a squishy here. How do we buy it? But they didn't have it no more.
And I was like,
And I bought these ice break. I think.
I said my mom.
Yeah, these are so good. Okay. So me and,
this video, Starburst.
no, the ice break. So me and my friend in class, we were eating these like literally.
That's what I do. I don't look. I always get gum, and the teachers don't say.
I eat like
Wait, let me open my. Because they don't let us eat food.
so I was like, oh, I need to get some of this. Okay, put it in the purse.
Wait, I want
$2.69.
one. You want one?
I guess. Wait, okay, guys.
Glitter glue?
So we're back.
My friend got it, and it's like stretchy, like super stretchy. Yeah.
Oh, so good.
Don't think it'll come back. It's right here. Hold on. Hold on the back of the
I didn't even know that there's things here. Those are not beads.
They had beads, but I think they ran out. Not right here. Over here.
What
True
is-
topper. Oh no.
What is it?
Look, there's paint. Mirrorball.
Where you could buy this expire?
Look. What's black?
No.
And the green.
We're just looking around to see what they are. Restrooms. What? Oh yeah. Nah. What? Oh, she went to the bathroom, but like, what? Walking around. She found me.
Let's look at the slime stuff.
Go.
It's the only thing we have in common. We like both like slime.
Yeah, and slime. We're obsessed with slime. I'm gonna end it here. Subscribe to this video. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.